Hello, I'm Gaither Stevens, CEO of Gaither Dynamic, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use an embed code in a website. And the embed code is sent to you as a file. It'll just be a text file. And a misconception would be that the file itself needs to go into your website, but it's not. It's the actual HTML that is inside the file. So here we have a script that will be inserted into a web page. So I'm just going to select all of this. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go to one of my web pages. And I have a an HTML uh, dashlet, or sometimes it's called a code snippet, and I'm going to edit this, and then I am going to just select all of the information that's in here, and I'm going to paste over it. And then the embed code is what allows you to embed the dashboard directly into your website. So once I do this, I could hit update and my website would then have this dashboard built in. There are lots of different ways of using the embed code. Just remember, it's not the file you want, it's the information inside the file that you'll be copying and pasting into, whether it be an HTML or a module or a page. Like I said, there's lots of different ways of doing it, but it's the code you want, not the file, that's really the important part. So just keep that in mind as you're embedding it in your website. Thank you.